Cambria. My baby. Once upon a time, we talked. Yeah. Sorry, my head is itching. Once upon a time, we talked. What happened? Only the Lord knows, Cambria, what happened between us. We just literally just stopped talking, like, all together. I remember one summer, bro, we were like this. Wait, I gotta let you see it. My white fingers. We were like this. Like, we were so tight. I could tell you, like, anything. Not that I still can't, but we just not as close. I miss you. See my ugly kissing face? Anyway, yeah, I miss you. We should talk more. You still my wife. And yeah, okay, let's talk about this. Let me get this clear since this is your video. Let me get what is clear. I'm a Shone. I have a lot of wives. But you? See, I have wifeys. I have baby mamas. I have super girlfriend. I have all that, but you're my only wife with 2 E's. See, I have a wife with 1 E, but your wife with 2 E's. So it's like first is the worst, second is the best. So you have 2 E's because you're the best. So let's not get anything confused. I wanted to clear that up because you're still here. You know, you're not going nowhere. And most of them other girls, they don't really matter. You probably think I'm running game, but no, I'm telling the truth. How's Edie? Get back to me with that response, like, soon, because you just forgot about me. Then all of a sudden, you know, yeah. So I think we should hang out soon, like, not 3 months from now, not 4 months from now, soon, like a couple weeks. So summer's coming, so yeah, handle that. But I do love you, and I miss you. And we should talk more, like I said, yada yada yada. But yeah, I'm pretty much done with your video. But love you.